नमस्कार। मैं माफ़ी चाहता हूँ, मैं हिंदी में बोलना चाहूँगा। मैं हिंदी में सोचता हूँ और अगर बीच में मेरे अंग्रेज़ी निकल जाए तो आपकी किस्मत अच्छी है। मैं बहुत कुछ सोच के आया था। मैं ये बोलूँगा, आई विल नॉट मेक इट पर्सनल, आई विल नॉट मेक इट एंटी बीजेपी, आई विल नॉट मेक ए लिस्ट ऑफ पीपल what all has gone wrong by the other, but I am shocked and ashamed and saddened by what you said, Mr. Ganguly. Being a judge, it's so sad that you are calling the verdict of Supreme Court was wrong. It's so sad that you have to say that. It's a matter of complete disgrace that you were hounded by the press and you were intolerant of them when there was a case against you. And today, you talk about that what happened in JNU was right. Very sorry, sir. Let me ask you one question. We are totally forgetting and we are making a hero out of one guy who was participant in the night of 9th February. And what were the naras that were going on over there? गुस्से में अंग्रेजी निकल आई, सॉरी। क्या नारे हो रहे थे वहां पर? भारत की बर्बादी। वहां क्या नारे हो रहे थे? अफजल गुरु, हम शर्मिंदा हैं, तेरे कातिल जिंदा हैं। कौन थे उसके कातिल? सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जजेस उसके कातिल थे क्या? कि भारत तेरे टुकड़े होंगे इंशाअल्लाह इंशाअल्लाह, ये बात थी। Instead of condemning it, you are saying that Supreme Court was wrong and that the Afzal Guru's judgment was wrong. It's absolutely unpardonable, Your Honor. No, you can't speak in between, sir. Let me finish. I'm sorry. It's my time. You are talking about, Surjewala ji, you talked about full list of, you have prepared a list of what BJP spoke about. You forgot that 84 emergency was declared by Indira Gandhi, your leader, sir. That was the biggest intolerance in the country ever. All those people were jailed who spoke about against the people who were innocent, people who were journalists, people who were talking about anything. There were whisper campaigns. They were all put behind bars, including my grandfather. You are talking about one by one. You totally forgot. Unfortunately, you know what I think, who is the most tolerant people in this country is Congress. They're tolerating a person who they want to project as a prime minister of this country and can't even say to each other that we are wrong. We are so sorry. This is our prime ministerial candidate. Means they must be talking to each other. क्या करें? फंस गए, कहाँ फंस गए हम लोग भाई? That is the tolerance that you have shown. But show that tolerance once in parliament and let the parliament function, sir. If you can tolerate that person, then you can tolerate anything in the world. You know, this is ridiculous. We have, when I was, आप में से किसी ने भी tolerance word को पिछले 8 महीनों से पहले सुना था या intolerance को? नहीं सुना था। यह मार्केट किया गया है क्योंकि यह हार जो शिकस्त हुई है इतनी बुरी तरह से ऑपोजिशन वालों की, उस शिकस्त का बदला लिया जा रहा है। कैसे लें बदला? प्राइम मिनिस्टर पूरी मेजॉरिटी से जीता है, 282 सीटें आई हैं। एक चाय वाला प्राइम मिनिस्टर बन गया। कैसे बन गया? हम तो गुलाम हैं, हम तो गुलामी की आदत है, हमें अंग्रेजों से, मुगलों से और अब बाहर के कुछ लोगों से हमें गुलामी की आदत है। ये कैसे बन गया प्राइम मिनिस्टर भाई? प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने पिछले 2 साल से या पौने 2 से आज तक छुट्टी नहीं ली है। आई एम नॉट एडवोकेटिंग हिम, आई एम जस्ट स्पीकिंग ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ एज a citizen of this country. People say